Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin in e-classes of Standard 6th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, in the Unit 2 Factors and Multiples, today we are going to discuss about the properties of highest common factor and lowest common multiple, that is SCF and LCM. Now in the previous session we have learnt about the common multiples and the lowest common multiple, and today we are study the different properties which are related with the highest common factor and lowest common factor. So let's see. Now the property of SCF and LCM. First, SCF of given number is not greater than any of these number, means if you have to find out the highest common factor, it shouldn't be the greater than any of these two numbers. So for example, HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. See here, the HCF is less than the given numbers. LCM of the given number is not smaller than any of these number. Opposite of that, LCM is always greater than the given number. So LCM of 5 and 15 is 15 and the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Third property, SCF of given number is a factor of their LCM. So if you are finding out the SCF and LCM of both the numbers, SCF of 16 and 12 is 4 and LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. So if you find here SCF, that is 4, is a factor of LCM, that is 48. Now fourth property, LCM of the given number is a multiple of their SCF. Example, SCF of 16 and 12 equals to 4 and LCM of 16 and 12 equals to 48. So here LCM 48 is the multiple of SCF 4. Now if the SCF of two number is one of the number, then LCM is greater number. So if you find out here, SCF of 5 and 15 is 5 and LCM is 15. So SCF is smaller number and LCM is greater number. Now if the numbers are co-prime numbers, means no factors are common there in between that two numbers. We have seen already what is the meaning of co-prime numbers. So SCF of that type of co-prime number is 1. So here see here 5 and 9, no factors are common, so their SCF is 1. Now LCM of co-prime number is the product of the number. So if you find out the LCM of co-prime number, SCF is 1, but the LCM is nothing but the product of this number. So SCF of 5 and 9 is 1, but the LCM of 5 and 9 equals to 45. Now the product of SCF and LCM of two number is equal to the product of the numbers. Means if you are taking the two numbers here, we have taken 9 and 12, its LCM is 36 and SCF is 3. If you take the product of 9 and 12, it is 108, and if you take the product of their SCF and LCM, it is also 108. Means the product of SCF and LCM of two number is equal to the product of the numbers. See the example here. First we will find out the SCF and LCM of 25 and 65 by division method. So the SCF is the last divisor, which when we will get remainder 0. So here SCF is 5 and then LCM we will find out using property, and the last property, that is says product of the numbers equals to product of SCF into LCM. So numbers are 25 and 65. So 25 into 65 equals to 5 into LCM, and therefore calculate it. You will get LCM equals to 325. Dear students, if you calculate the LCM of 25 and 65 by any of the three method, you will also get from that method LCM is 325. But here we have calculated by using the property. See here, SCF of two number is 16 and their product is 6400. Find their LCM. We have property SCF into LCM equals to product of numbers. So 16 into LCM equals to 6400. Calculate it. You will get LCM equals to 400. So here is a small assignment for you. I hope you understand all the properties which are related with the SCF and LCM. Now it's time to check your understanding and try to solve this small assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.